For this assignment, you are going to pitch 3 potential research topics for approval. These are going to be topics that you are hoping to write about. I usually encourage students to let me know the ranking of their preference on topics. So, developing a worthwhile research topic will be the key to writing a compelling argument where you can learn something new and enjoy the project. One of your important lessons for this week will focus on brainstorming and refining ideas for your research essay. No, all you're working on at this point is coming up with ideas. We don't have to refine the project just yet. That'll come in coming weeks. So for part 1, make sure you've read the research essay topic page. Then you are going to visit the suggested databases and your small group brainstorm to consider ideas for your own essay. Notice that I mentioned here visiting the databases before you pitch a topic, even if it's part of your small group brainstorm. Go to the databases that are suggested on that research essay topic page and make sure that you can find information, because Google's not going to be something you're going to use. Google Scholar's not even allowed for this assignment. I really want to see that you can navigate college databases. That is a skill as a college student you have to have. So that's what you are going to be required to do here. And because of that, I don't want you to pitch topics that you're not going to be able to find information on. After that, you're going to choose 3 topics from your brainstorm list that interests you the most. These are topics you will pitch to Professor Faulkner. She will then review your choices, studying through your detailed explanations of each topic, and send you an approved topic choice in the assignment comments. So for part 2, this is the piece you're going to submit. You are going to provide what your topic is, topic pitch 1, then tell me what that subject is, and then you're going to answer these 5 questions. Explain what the issue is and how you came to it. So what is your real world problem? How did you learn about it? Then explain what you want to argue for or against. Are you suggesting X, Y, and Z should be done to target this problem? Are you arguing that what we're currently doing about this problem is not enough and so we need to do something else? What is it that you're hoping or thinking at this time you might, how you might frame your argument? It's worth noting, you should follow where your research takes you as you go through this project. So whatever you say you're arguing for or against related to the topic is not set in stone at this time. It's just kind of how you're thinking about it in this moment. Then you'll let me know any personal interest or experience you might have with the topic. For some of you, you're not going to have any personal interest or experience. That's perfectly fine. It could just be that you're tangentially aware of a topic. That's okay. Topic 4, explain who and what the issue affects. Who is it that is most impacted by this real world problem, and perhaps how would they be impacted if we work toward a solution for this real world problem? Then I want you to consider what you already know about the topic, if anything, what kinds of questions you hope to answer while you are researching the topic. Remember, you must write your research essay about an approved topic. If you don't receive approval for your topic, the essay will not be eligible for grading. You can always refine the topic you are approved for. If you run into problems and want to change your topic, you must consult me in order to be approved for a new topic. And I'll be entirely honest with you, most of the time, I don't allow students to change their topics. So when pitching your topic, you can look at this example here in the video where here's the topic and then the answers to the questions. It's worth noting these students, their assignment was a little bit different. They didn't work together to brainstorm, or they did it individually, and then their set of questions was different than yours because their project was different. But this is a good guide to show you what it might look like when you complete this so that it's easy to read and easy to follow. It is worth noting that there are some topics I won't approve. Generally speaking, because they're overly done topics, things like abortion or legalization of marijuana, some diseases, because the medical research that you can find will be way over your head. Those sorts of things I generally will not approve. Also, when I'm approving topics, I consider if you have provided me a ranking of your preferred topics, along with how many other students might have also pitched that same topic. I will not have more than 1 or 2 people perhaps doing the same topic, and sometimes not even that many. If I can have it so that each student is doing something different, I try to keep it that way. So you are encouraged to come up with a unique set of topics that you are interested in, again, to solve a real world problem. Do keep in mind academic integrity. As always, that policy is set forth here. If you have any questions or need any help, please let me know.